Good day! I am Hazel Vanne, and today I will be showing you my teaching demonstration. The subject that I am going to teach is Advanced Shielded Metal Arc Welding or Advanced MAW. And the topic is identify the different kinds of welding defects and its remedies. Good morning, class! So before we proceed to today's lesson, I encourage you to stand up, close your eyes, and feel the presence of God as we begin a short prayer. Amen. Once again, good morning. Okay, so before you take your seats, please pick up the pieces of paper and plastic under your chairs and arrange it properly. Well done? Okay, you may take your seats now. How have you been today? Good? I'm glad to hear that. Okay, so before anything else, I will just check the attendance. Let's see if everyone is present. Class, may I ask you to say present once your name is called? No one is absent. Very good. So before we begin, let me remind you of our classroom rules. Please pay attention to the recording that will now be played. Do you understand, class, our classroom rules? So class, before we start our lesson, can anyone give me a recap of what we tackled yesterday? Yes, Mark? Very good. So yesterday, we studied the different kinds of welding processes. How about only one example of the most commonly used welding process? Oh, do not answer me in chorus, just raise your hand. Yes, Jason. That's correct. Shielded Metal Arc Welding or SMAW. Now, let's move on to today's topic. So today, we are going to learn how to identify welding defects. Okay, class? Why is it important to identify and recognize welding defects in a base metal? Yes, Angela. Absolutely. Identifying and addressing weld defects is crucial to ensure the safety and integrity of the structure. Now let's get started with the lesson. There are several types of weld defects that we need to be aware of. They include porosity, lack of fusion, undercutting, and slag inclusions. And each of these defects has specific characteristics that help us identify them. So let's go through each one in detail. So, reminders class, raise your hand when clarifying or wanting to share something, okay? Alright, so let's go first with porosity. It appears as a small holes or cavities in the weld metal. These holes are caused by trapped gas or packets during the welding process, and some potential cause of porosity is moisture or contaminants in a welding surface. For like example, dirt or if there is a paint present in a parent metal or kinda rusty. And some other possible causes might be improper shielding gas or incorrect welding parameters. Class, do you have any concerns or questions? Okay, let's move on to the next topic of our discussion if not. Now, let's move on to the next weld defect. Lack of fusion. It occurs when a weld metal does not fully fuse with a base metal. This results in a weak bond. And an example of a situation that could lead to a lack of fusion is insufficient heat input or improper welding technique. Inadequate heat or incorrect technique can prevent proper fusion between the metal pieces. Now, let's discuss the next defect, which is undercutting. Undercutting appears as a groove or depression along the edges of the weld joint. It is caused by using high current or excessively long arc length. Remember, using high current or improper arc length can lead to overheating and the formation of undercutting. Now let's move on to the final defect. Slag inclusions occur when fragments of the flux or slag become trapped in a weld metal. This can weaken a weld joint and reduce its Structural integrity. Class, I have a question. How can slug inclusions be prevented? Yes, Jeffrey. Yes, that's right. By regularly cleaning and effective slug removal. Okay, let's proceed to your individual hands-on activity. Okay. Carefully examine the picture provided below and identify the specific weld defect present. And once you have identified the defect, analyze its likely cause and propose an appropriate remedy to address the issue. Do you understand the instruction, my dear students? Okay, get one and pass. Okay, you only have 15 minutes. Okay, time's up. Alright, let's discuss your findings. Can anyone share what are they observed in the first sample? Yes, they are at the back. Good job. What about the second sample? Yes, exactly. How about the third sample? Very good. How about the last sample? Yes, Mark. Good job, everyone. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, remember class, identifying weld defect is an essential skill for any welder. And by recognizing and addressing these defects, we can ensure the quality and integrity of our welding. Well done! So what did you pick up from today's lesson? Yes, Jason. Okay, great job everyone. Remember that identifying these defects is crucial for producing high-quality welds. And by recognizing these issues early on, we can take steps to correct them and ensure the strength and durability of our welds. Keep practicing your observation skills and soon you'll become experts at identifying and avoiding these weld defects. Okay, moving on, we'll have a short quiz. Okay, get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the quiz within 5 minutes. Kindly read properly the direction. Are you done, class? Okay, let's check the quiz together. Okay, how many of you got a perfect score? Okay, how about 3 and below? Alright. Please write your scores in the upper right-hand corner of your paper and be honest. The passing score for this quiz is 3. Alright, everyone, kindly collect and pass your papers in front. Okay, thank you. I hope you are doing well and find our classes engaging and informative. I wanted to take a moment to talk to you. I understand that quizzes can sometimes be a source of stress for some of you, but I want to emphasize that the purpose of this quiz is not to define you or your abilities. The quiz is simply an exercise designed to help you assess your understanding of the material we've covered so far. And it provides an opportunity for you to apply what you've learned and identify areas that you need further attention. It's important to remember that a low score on this quiz does not reflect your intelligence or worth as a student. If you receive a lower score than expected, please don't be discouraged. I'm here to support you and provide intervention whenever necessary. And if there are specific topics that you're struggling with, I encourage you to reach out to me so we can address them together. Is this clear, class? Okay, good job. Okay, I have an assignment for you. Kindly write it down or simply take a picture. This assignment will help you gain a deeper understanding of welding processes and the importance of documentation in ensuring high-quality welds. Alright, everyone, that's all for today. Thank you for your active participation and engagement. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all bright and early tomorrow. Keep safe and bye-bye.